can enjoy. Oh, very cold. It's very cold. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sanjeev Kumar Shah from Janakpur. Back to my YouTube channel, the Roaming Yatri. Now today on the 7th April 2025, just I came to Mesiokanto Pass, 5,245 meters. Now morning guys, so today the third day, we are ready to track, and this is the last diet my friend is saying. So in the morning breakfast, just we are taking at the Jomsom. Sir, are you ready?
Yes.
What is in bottle?
There is drinking water.
Drinking water with?
Like some
Diet.
energy diet.
Energy diet. Very good. So, best of luck. I think the journey will be very nice. Really will enjoy. And my Raja.
Hello everyone.
With my group of the Raja. The name is King, but they are coming slowly. It's very tough. Trekking is not a joke. I think the guys who are doing trekking, they really know what is the meaning of trekking. Really. Video is going on.
Yeah.
The Roaming Yatri. The Roaming Yatri race chair.
Yeah.
And this is the view.
Wow.
This is the view.
Wow.
This is the view of stay here. जंगली याक चाहिँ यहाँ बस्ने गर्छ, मान्छे बस्दैन मात्रै, यो कहीं हुन्छ, यो यहाँको यस्तो दृश्य. You are saying that my all the friends are relaxing and enjoying here. Yeah, really. Tired. Oh my god. Tired. Video banna chalo. After a long time, after the walking 2 to 3 hours, we have seen the water in this stand in the April today, the 6th April. After a very long time, we see the water here, and we have to collect the water in the bottle because no chance of water. See, my old friends here. Okalo, garde the climbing on the highest mountain. Very tough. One guy is only telling you, I'll take my picture, guys. What to say? Have to walk like this way only. And I think 7 hours we will walk, and we will finally reach to our destination. That's all the guys are walking. You can see the ice, water, ice. Are you seeing? Oh, okay. And we have to go through this. यहीबाट हामीले जानुपर्ने यसकै इन्तजार छ माथि गएर धेरै a lot of things, and we will enjoy, and we will play with ice, and ice will play with us. हामीले एकचोटी आइससँग खेल्छौं र अर्कोचोटी आइसले हामीसँग खेल्छ. एक बार हम लोग आइस से खेलेंगे और दूसरे बार आइस हम लोग से खेलेगा, so be careful. Now see the ice. It's very tough. Mr. Anil sir.
Hey.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Oh. Let's move. Walk slowly. See there. Oh. Sir, are you taking the picture?
Yes.
Oh, good. Enjoy. Sir, kata. Yata. कताबाट जाने ओ कताबाट
स्लिपरी है थोड़ा पूरा आइस पर
स्लिपरी आइस very cold very cold kept me here see oh I think you will enjoy this view. Very tough to reach here. Very tough. Very tough. Really tired. Guys, we are on the route of Tilicho Lake. Just we are taking the breakfast as a lunch. What to say? This is the apple. Sukeko apple machalai. Sukhawa apple. Dried apple. It's very healthy. So guys, we is going to go to track. Trekking. Still we have to move 1000 meter on the height. Let's see. The tires very tough, very tough, very tough to go. These all are nice. Snow. Really, we are on the very height. What to say? We have to cross that mountain on this path. This is the path. I have to trek and I have to cross. Very nice. Come, come, mister. Don't worry. Really a great place. Come. Dear. Oh, dear guys. Come, we are standing at the milestone. 5 hours to down. Come up. 4 hours only. Mr. Kanto, are you listening my sound? Oh my dear friends, we are staying here. Come soon. I and Sumita waiting for you, my Raja. Keep it up. Don't be upset. On the radar. Oh, भागू ना अब वहाँ त पहुँच गए वहाँ त पूछे के होला हमर सर वन छ नै सरले बन्ने जाऊ कतै जा फोटो खिच मस्त नम्रा छ सके हाय गाइस हाय यो सबै हिउँ रहेछ यसमा अलि राम्ररी बिस्तारै पर्ने यो सब पुरै हिउँ डेन्जरस प्लेस the landslide coming here. See, lots of view. All the view are not getting captured in the camera, but I think you should manage. You should watch. This is the way to Tilicho Lake, which is located in Nepal at the height of 4919 meters. It will take 2 to 3 days by trekking from Jomsom, Nepal. Friend is so tired that he can't walk one single step, but we have to do something. So taking liquid Jeevan Jal and all the things and trying to go. Trekking is very tough. Hi guys, today we have to camping here. This is our place for the 5 person, and we have to keep the tent and we have to make the food, and tomorrow the peak of that mountain we have to climb that, and that side there is the Tilicho Lake. It's very tough.
5,300 meter.
High.
5,300 meter.
And it's 5,300 meters from the sea level of height.
And we are already at
right now we are on the
4,700
meter. The little bit the oxygen level is little down, but we can manage. You also come and enjoy the trekking. Very nice place in the Nepal. Thank you. And today we have to stay here, and we have to, for the drinking, we have to take the water from that ice. We will carry that ice. Snow, and that snow we should, by the help of gas, we will make it water, H2O, by the help of chemical formula that you know very well, and we will enjoy. You know now what you are enjoying. Hi dear! Come soon, we have achieved our goal. For today we have to stay here, and tomorrow the goal will be achieved. And really we will enjoy today here. There is no drinking water, but by the help of that snow, we will make it water. And we will cook little food and enjoy the night.
Not available water at the end?
For surviving, I think our guide has ready for that survive. By the help of that snow in this mountain, in the Nepal, in Tilicho Lake, we will climb 5,200 meters above. And right now, you know
Yes.
where we are.
Not only that one.
Yeah, on the height of 4,500 meters. Yeah.
It is the most peak place.
Yeah.
At there situated.
Finally, हाम्रो यो
धेरै परिश्रम
ट्रेकिङका
गर्नु पर्यो.
प्यारा साथीहरूले धेरै परिश्रम गरेर very tough to bring the ice, and ice was converted into water. Ice, you can say yes, no? Very nice. Now today we will stay here, and tomorrow we will. Friend is making a little juicy item on the small stove, which is the gas portable. Just he has been in. And
Yes.
hello guys.
Hello.
On the 6th April we are in the tent. It's very cold, on the minus 10 degrees Celsius. If you will see, we have cooked there. Oh look. हम सब चलब तब है ना.
You reached at 40 meter altitude
Hi
for
everyone.
the Tilicho Lake. You are welcome.
The view of Tilicho Lake.
You You reached at 40 meter height.
Yay!
Altitude of Tilicho Lake. Nice.
Good morning, guys. Today, the 7th March, the 7th April, we are on the trekking on the way of Tilicho Lake. And this is the view. This is the third day. We have started from the Jomsom. See, now we have to climb this upper one, this one, and that side. So all our friends are coming. So this is the view. You can see, very tough. Now I am the height of 5,000 meters on the way of Tilicho Lake. So you see, you can imagine where I am. No one is here, anyone. Just traveling around. And this is the view of mountain. And we have to cross a lot. What to say? We came with 5 friends, but remaining are someone back. But I think you see in my camera, the 2 guys is coming very back. And today, in April 2025. This view is I'm going to give you. So hope you will enjoy. One step is getting very tough to walk, and there is no any hotel, no water, just drinking the water and going on. Now I think 2 hours remaining. Let's see. I hope the journey will be really good. Finally, we are very soon reaching our goal. You see there the board is there. Oh my god, what to say. I will see after a long time. It's very tough. Very tough to Tilicho Lake, the height of Tilicho Lake. Now we have to go 500 meters down. Namaste everyone, I am Sanjeev Kumar Shah. Back to my YouTube channel, The Roaming Yatri. Today, 7th April 2025, I am on the show by trekking. All my friends are around, and right now I came here. See this, the view, very nice view. And both, all things, the white you are seeing, that there is snow. There is snow. I hope you will enjoy the scene. It's very tough. And finally, we came to Mesokunta Pass on the height of 5,245 meters. Successfully. See here, this is the board. Oh my god. To see this board, I am very happy. I am very happy and excited. From here, you can see the view. This is Mesokunta. Guys, today the 7th of April 2025. We just came to Mishikonta Pass on the height of 5,245 meters. As you can see the view, this is the Tilicho Lake. Now again we have the temperature is on minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now you can see again, now you have to go, I think 500 meter down to the lake, and this is Tilicho Lake in Nepal. It's very famous. See what the view. Really it's great. Now due to the temperature of climate, totally it was covered by the snowfall. See the mountain. It's all in the Nepal. What nice. So on the highest, the world highest tal. This is the world highest tal, Tilicho Lake. From Jomsom, we have by 2 days the walking distance. I think 12 hours. We have to walk slowly and slowly. Then only you can reach here. So this is the second day. Last night we stayed in the camp. We have taken our own camp. There was very difficult to stay. There is nothing, everything you have to carry. Water, jacket, a lot of things. You can see in my YouTube channel also what are the things. Medicine, because here the oxygen level is also very low, so you have to also carry the oxygen. So this type of, you are seeing the view. This is ice. I can take you. See, just this is ice. Now due to the sunlight, it's you can enjoy this. You can enjoy. Oh, very cold. It's very cold. Hey guys, come on. Oh, one of my friends just came, and one was sitting there. Say hi to everyone.
Yeah, finally.
Oh, just take a rest, then you will enjoy. Have to move 500 meters down to see this, and I think this is the Annapurna. For the trekking from Jomsom, it takes 12 hours by walking distance. There is no any way to come. You have to come by trekking, and you should enjoy the view of Nepal. The climate right now, we are in minus 10 degrees. World highest lake right now. Due to the coldest, it was totally covered with snowfall, and you should see the Dhaulagiri, the mountain, and it's a nice view, very nice. You can enjoy a lot of here. I can't say all the things. When you will come here, then only you will believe, and you should enjoy, and you should think what was the nature, what is the beauty of nature you can enjoy here in the Nepal. And it's a nice time in the April. You can come and enjoy from Jomsom, Nepal. Thank you.